Hey peeps, back again. Just a quick speculation video. I made I made a video a couple of months ago when I just speculated on the price and stuff. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy who's out there in the same position as a lot of people out there. Who's just stacking and just trying to make the best out of this situation that we've been put into since 2020. So in my last video, I said that gold and silver would come down, as well as the stock market and crypto. So I was right about gold and silver, and I was wrong about the markets and cryptocurrency. So if anyone listened to me on precious metals, they got to get in at a good price, and obviously I got the markets and cryptos wrong. So let's see. So I mentioned before the elections, Brexit, and the virus. So the elections, Biden's won. He just needs to get into the office. Trump is playing silly buggers. There's still a little bit of risk surrounding that situation. Brexit has gone through. We've got a trade deal. It's a bad deal. It's not even really a deal. Because if you really analyze it, it's actually a restructuring of the Lisbon contract that we have with the EU. So Britain already has a trade and some kind of contract with the EU, and now we're just restructuring it to another kind of contract, which isn't going to benefit the man on the street. So it's going to be tough times in the UK going forward, and I suspect that the EU is going to break down, and we're going to see other countries follow the UK and leave the EU. So we might hear in 2021 about other countries, or maybe one other country say, "Hey, do you know what? I also want to leave." Well, we'll see how that goes. And the virus. So we have a vaccine now, but then at the same time, the virus is mutating and it's forcing other countries, as well as the country I'm in, the UK, to go into lockdown. So in 2020, I think the issue, at least in the first half, is going to be the virus and the lockdowns and the effect it's having on the economy, rising unemployment, and all these things against stimulus. This 900 billion stimulus that we have coming out of America is just the first. I think we're going to see at least one more in 2020. Now, that's going to be bullish for precious metals because, that's going to affect the dollar. But I don't think we're going to see the explosion in precious metal prices until the inflation paradigm and fear to a certain extent takes hold. And I can't really see that taking hold until maybe the end of 2021, maybe 2022, because that is what it's going to take for precious metal prices to explode. Saying that, them doing more stimulus, like I said before, is bullish for precious metals. So we are going to see increases in 2020. I can see the gold price going to 2,500, around that, next year, and silver going to anywhere from $32 to $38. That's where I see it going. But like I said, no massive price explosion like we've seen in Bitcoin, for example, until a bit later on. So yeah, it's going to be a tough year, 2021, and a few years, going forward. 2020 was just the prelude, and we are really going into this. You can really see where it's going, and it's not going to be good. So anyone who is stacking, congratulations, but this is just a part of it, and there's a lot more things that we need to do. So yeah, get your 500 ounces of silver and your 10 ounces of gold. That's the minimum I think you need. As well as I would advise to get yourself some cryptos, and shares at some point when the market comes down. So all right, good luck everyone, and take care.